25. In this lecture, we are going to learn a very important and practical Excel formula called subtotal. The subtotal formula is mainly used when we want to calculate the total that automatically change when we apply filters, unlike the normal sum or count formula. Subtotal works intelligently with filters data and ignores hidden rows. Because of these reasons, subtotal is widely used in real office reports, sales summaries, MIS sheets, and dashboards preparations where filtering is very common. Now look at the Excel worksheet on your screen. In this sheet, we have a sales table starting from row 6 and going to till 14. The table contains product name, regions, quantity, price, and amount. Above this table, we have three summaries filled clearly highlighting in yellow color total quantity, total amount, and the total received. These are the result area where we want Excel to calculate dynamic total using the subtotal formula. First, let's calculate the total quantity. The answer cell for total quantity is cell C3, which is placed just below the headings total quantity. We want to calculate the total of the quantity column, which is in column D, from row 6 to row 14. So we click on cell C3 and type the subtotal formula using functions number 9 and which represents sum. The formula becomes is equal to subtotal bracket open 9 comma d6 colon d14. After pressing enter, Excel calculates the total quantity. If we apply any filter on the table, this total will automatically update and will count only the visible rows. Next, to we calculate the total amount. The answer cell for total amount is in cell F3, placed below the heading total amount. The amount values are available in column F from row 6 to row 14. So we click on cell F3 and type is equal to subtotal bracket open 9 comma F6 colon F14 bracket close. Now we press enter. Excel immediately show the total sales amount. Just like total quantity, this amount will also change dynamically where we filter the data. Finally, we calculate the total records, which means how many records are available in the table. The answer cell for total records is in cell I3, placed below the headings total received. For counting records, we use subtotal function number 3, which represent counter. We type this on the product name count column, which is in column B from row 6 to row 14. So in cell I3 we type is equal to subtotal bracket open 3 comma B6 to B14. After pressing enter, Excel count how many records are present. This count will also update automatically when rows are filtered or hidden. So in this lecture, we learned how to use the subtotal formula to calculate the total quantity, total amount, and the total records in a professional Excel report. We use C3 for total quantity, F3 for total amount, and I3 for total records, and apply the subtotal formula with proper functions number. This make our report dynamic, filter friendly, and perfect for real life office and business use.